Hi, I'm Jake, a product developer here at SkyCiv. Today we're demonstrating the SkyCiv Mobile app and one of its most popular tools, the beam calculator. This is one of the many tools available in the SkyCiv Mobile app, including a section library search, model viewer and unit converter. The SkyCiv Beam app lets users run quick and easy beam analysis from the palm of their hand. Users can quickly and easily model their beams with an easy inbuilt keyboard and quick tap functionality. It has been designed to allow engineers to model their beams within seconds. It contains a database of sections from the SkyCiv library, which includes more than 10,000 sections from the American, Australian and European libraries, to name a few. The search functionality makes it quick and easy to find the sections you're looking for. After you run your analysis, the results are clearly and easily displayed with a quick summary of some important design criteria. Get your reactions, shear force, bending moment, deflections and stress diagrams instantly, all with clearly labelled results. Need to pass on this information? The app allows you to export a PDF analysis report to share via email, text or a simple URL link. So there you have it. That's a quick look at the SkyCiv Beam app. This app is free for all SkyCiv users, available on the AppStore and Google Play Store. Download it today and get the most out of your structural analysis software.